What's up, guys? It's your girl Stephanie. Steph delivers. So real quick, guys, I just want to tell you what I've been doing to increase my ratings. My ratings got down to 4.66. No matter what, I check the orders, whatever, double check orders, and I don't know. I just think it's part of just being late because of the new late thing. It's improved a lot, the new late thing, though. I have to say, at least for me, it has. I don't run into that often at all. But the thing that I've been telling the customer is that once I'm handing in their food, or as I'm handing them their food, let's just say, thank you for choosing Doordash, Stephanie, as I'm handing them their food. And I say, by the way, just in case you didn't know, customer ratings affect whether we stay employed or not. So if you don't mind, could you please go back to the app and rate me 5 stars? And they say, sure. Now, of course, not all of them are going to actually do that. But over the last 3 times that I've dashed, 2 or 3 times, I've noticed my rating's gone up from 4.66 to 4.80. I'm serious. So I know it's because I'm verbally asking them to rate me 5 stars. You know? So I'm going to see how it goes today, and then I'll report back in the video in the future when I reach 4.90, because I'm going to reach 4.90. That's for sure. I think I got an order coming in right now. I just wanted to tell you guys that. Maybe it's something that you might want to use. All right? Till next time, God bless. God loves you. Be safe out there, y'all.